I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the max level higher in Arc. To begin, you must understand that this process involves directly editing your game's configuration files. This specific method is exclusively for single-player games or privately hosted unofficial servers. It is crucial to note that you cannot alter the maximum player level on any official Arc servers, as those settings are managed by the game developers. This guide focuses on the one way you can achieve this for your own game. Your next step is to locate the critical game. ini file. First, navigate to your Arc Games installation directory, typically found within your Steam library. From there, you will need to follow a specific path: shooter game, then save, then config, and finally Windows Server. Inside this Windows Server folder, you will find the game. ini file, which is the key to adjusting your maximum player level. Take your time to ensure you are in the correct location. Now open the game. ini file using a simple text editor like Notepad. Look for the server settings header. If it's not there, simply add it at the top of the file. Below this header, you will add a specific line: override player level engram points equals X, replacing X with your desired maximum level, for example, 150. This command tells the game to use your custom level cap. After adding this line, save the file to apply your modifications. To finalize the process, you must restart your Arc game or server for the changes to properly take effect. Once your game has reloaded, log in and check your character's stats. You should now see that the maximum achievable level has been updated to the number you specified in the game. ini file. If you encounter any issues, double-check your file path and the exact syntax of the line you added. Enjoy your elevated maximum level in Arc.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.